how to turn off keyboard sound on the iPad mini. So whenever you type on the keyboard, it makes a sound. So if you don't like this sound, you can turn it off. First, press on the home key to go back to the home screen. Then go to settings. In settings, on the left hand side, tap on sounds. And on the last option, on the right hand side panel, there's an option called keyboard clicks. So simply slide the switch to the left to turn it off, and slide to the right to turn it on. If you just slide to the left, you will turn it off. And then if we go to the reminder, for example, then you can type and it doesn't make a sound anymore. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more video tutorials.